it will automatically moves to the screen number 2. So that means it will automatically set the screen. Which screen? Screen number 2. Okay, so let's check the code once again. I'm going to click on the run. So once I click on this particular image, which is Sunday, what happened? It converted into the screen number 2, or it jumps to the screen number 2. Okay, but if I click on the Monday, that means image number 2, what will happen? Nothing. Why? Because I didn't code the image number 2. The only coding is done on the image number 1. Okay, so here I have 7 images, so I have to code 7 times. So for that, without wasting any time, I'm going to add another events. Again, on the event, the ID is image number 2, and it will set the screen. Which screen? It will move to the screen number 3. Okay, so let's check the code once again. I'm going to reset the code. Now I will check, is this code working or not? So I'm going to click on the run. So here, according to this code, once I click on the image number 1, then it will set the screen number 2. Yes. And now under this particular event, I set that when I click on the image number 2, then it will set the screen to screen number 3. So once I click on the image number 2, it will set the screen to screen number 3. So here when I click on the screen number 3, nothing will happen because I didn't code it yet. Okay, so let's complete the code for the 7 images. So the simple thing is, you can simply drag and drop here, change the ID of the image. Okay, set the screen from here to here. Now the screen is screen number 4. So I'm going to do this repeatedly. Now I'm going to code the image number 4. Set the screen number 5. So now I'm going to add another control for the image number 5, and once I click on the image number 5, it will set the screen ID to the screen number 6. Then I'm going to add another event, that is for image number 6, it will set the screen number 7. Let's check the code. Is it working properly or not? For that, I'm going to click on the run. So when I click on the image number 1, then it will set the screen number 2. So yes. So now when I click on the image number 2, it will move to the screen number 3. And when I click on the image 3, it will move to the screen number 4, and so on. So once I click on the image number 6, it will move to the screen number 7. But when I click on the image number 7, what will happen? Nothing. Why? Because I didn't add any code for the image number 7. For that, I have to reset the screen once again and add this last control over here. So here the image ID is image number 7, and I will set the screen to the initial screen, that is screen number 1. So when I click on the image number 7, that is Saturday, then it will automatically moves to the screen number 1, which is Sunday. So let's check this code once again. So here this is the image number 1. So this is the image number 7. So when I click on the image number 7, it will move to the screen number 1. Yes. So in this way we can add the multiple screens, multiple images, resize them as well. As you can see here, the images are differently aligned and the size of every image is different from each other. So if we want to give the same size and same position, then we can do so under the design tab, and for that you have to select that particular image. That means I am going to click on that particular image, then you can check the width and height of the image. So here if I want to give the same size to every image, I will select the image first, then under the properties I will change the width and height. So here if I want the width of the image 275 and height of the image 235, and position I will change it to the 25 and 155. And in the same way I will choose the screen number 2, click on the image, and I will give the same height, width to this image, even the position of X and position of Y as well. Okay, so in this way I will So here I am changing the properties of all these 7 images which I have included in the 7 screens. So last I have only 2 images left, which are here. And finally the screen number 7. Right, so let's run this code once again. Now you can check all these images are of same size. So in today's video you have learned how to include the multiple screens, multiple images on different screens, and how to code an image.
Like the video. Subscribe and press bell icon for more. And share it to your friends and family for the great information.